Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to restore your VM from recovery services vault backup. So let's go to my VM. I'm on the Azure portal. I configure virtual machine and I can see my virtual machine. My virtual machine name is test VM1. So let's see if we have any backups available for this virtual machine. So my recovery services vault name is test VM-vault, and I see there are two backups available for 11th May and 12th May. So let's assume my test VM1 has crashed. I'm not able to log in, and I'm aware the last backup when it was taken on 12th May, the VM was working fine. So I want to restore my VM to 12th May 1:08 a.m. the last available good backup. So I click on restore VM. I select the restore point 12th May 1:08 a.m. I click on OK. Okay, so now I have three options. The first option is replacing the existing VM. So with this option, what happens is my current VM name is test VM1. I choose a temporary location for my disk. When I click on restore, the VM name, the virtual network, subnet, everything remains same. All this does is replaces the existing corrupted hard drive with the backup hard drive. So as it says, replacing disk. So I click restore and it will be done in few minutes. The second option is creating a new. With this option, what it does is my test VM1 remains as it is, and it gives me an option to type in a new name. So let's say we are typing test VM2. The resource group name remains the same as my existing VM. Virtual network, I have an option to choose a different virtual network, but let's choose the same one as existing. Subnet again is the same, but I have an option to change that. Then staging location is just a temporary location where to place my restore disk. When I click on restore, I'll have another virtual machine created along with the existing one, which is test VM1. Now the third option is restore disk. Okay, let me briefly explain you what is disk encryption first. So this is my VM. I scroll down to disk. So I have operating system disk. So as we can see, the default encryption is SSE with PMK. This is server-side encryption with platform managed key. So this is the default encryption for any OS or data disk. And by platform managed key, what it means is the key is managed by Azure platform. So if I have a default encryption, I can restore a VM or I can restore the disk. So apart from the default encryption, there is another encryption, that is ADE, Azure Disk Encryption. So ADE uses BitLocker. So if my disk is encrypted with ADE, ADE is also called as a customer managed key. So if my disk is encrypted with ADE, the only option I will have is restoring disk. I won't have the option to create new virtual machine or replace the existing virtual machine. So when my virtual machine is encrypted with ADE, the only option I have is restore disk. I'll have option to choose a resource group and a temporary location to save my disk. I click on restore. All it does is it will restore that disk, and with those disks I will have an option to create a new VM. The new VM, I can give any name I want. I can join it to any virtual network or subnet, or I can create a snapshot with the disk, and I will also have an option to move the snapshot across to a different region or to a different resource group. So that was my today's session on restoring a virtual machine So if you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you for any specific topic on Azure, please mention in the comment section below and I'll try to make that video for you. So that was about today's video. Thanks for watching.